Okay, let's try this problem. Assume you're able to purchase a brand new Class C motorhome for $749,346. Here's a picture of what that would look like. Here is the actual MSRP price tag for a 2021 brand new motorhome. Let's assume you can purchase that and uh, you are able to get this nice motorhome, but it has a depreciation rate of 21% per year. How much will the motorhome be worth in just 5 years? So home prices usually appreciate over time, is what the hope would be. But buying a motorhome as your home, um, you'd have to count on it depreciating over time. So a depreciation formula we're going to use here is V equals P times 1 minus R to the T, where V is the depreciated value and P is the original value of the item, R is the rate of depreciation, and T is the time in years. So we're just going to put our p-value in here of 749,346. The rate, written as a decimal, is going to be 0.21. Make sure that you change that to 0.21. And then the time in years is going to be 5. So we're going to go ahead and use this formula. We're going to make sure it's a minus as opposed to a plus. That's where the depreciation happens. We're minusing, as opposed to, an account where we're putting money in that it's going up in value. So we're going to put our value equals 749,346 times 1 minus 0.21 raised to the 5 power. Again, we're going to make sure we do the order of operations correctly. So inside the parentheses happens first. We're going to do 1 minus the 0.21 as our first step, which is going to be 0.79. We're next going to follow the order of operations and make sure we raise the base to the power. So we're going to take that 0.79 and raise it to the power of 5. $749 is just remaining out there in front. We haven't done anything with it yet. When we raise that to the power of 5, we get 0.3077,056. Now this is a long decimal. You want to go out pretty far to make sure your final answer is accurate. Definitely don't round to the 2 decimal places yet. Go out at least 5 or 6 decimal places, if not further. And finally, we're going to multiply these two together. So we're going to multiply that by the 749,346 to find our final answer. So after just 5 years, this motorhome that was our pride and joy has lost a lot of its value. Now we can round to the 2 decimal places, $230,577.99.